Hi, we're here with Hank Nowak of DSM Pharmaceuticals. Hank's the Senior Director. Hank, to start off, can you tell us a little bit more about DSM and the company in general?
Yeah, DSM is a global company headquartered in the Netherlands. It's been operating for over 100 years now. Started off in the coal mining industry, of all places, and it's evolved over the last 100 years to where it is today, which is a leading life sciences, material sciences company. And so when you look at DSM overall, we're trying to find the synergies between our expertise on both sides of that, the material science and life sciences, to create innovative, sustainable solutions with partners.
And what can you tell me about services in the finished dosage area?
So within DSM, we have basically 4 business clusters, one of those being the pharma cluster. And within the pharma space, we have a number of business units. We have one business unit that's responsible for small molecule production, one that's responsible for large molecule production, and then the group that I'm responsible for is finished dosage form production. Our facility is based in Greenville, North Carolina, and it is a contract manufacturer supporting the biopharmaceutical industry production of their finished dosage forms.
And what are the key issues in the supply chain for finished dosage manufacturing?
With finished dosage manufacturing right now, some of the challenges that we're all facing, probably the most paramount is quality. So we do see a lot of challenges in the industry, both within the innovator companies as well as within the CMO space, our competition in terms of meeting quality and compliance expectations of the regulatory authorities. So that would be one. The other issue that we all grapple with is performance issues. So meeting the client's expectations for production timelines and meeting their expectations around producing the product, getting it shipped out to the marketplace in the time that they expected.
So what have you done to approach those issues?
So from a quality standpoint, DSM has always taken a very proactive engagement with the regulatory authorities. We are part of the Atlanta district here in the US as it relates to the FDA, and we take a very proactive, engaging approach to the dialogue that we have with them. So if we do have a challenging situation, we reach out to the agency, we make them aware of the situation, and we try to stay ahead of the curve in terms of that. Internally, we have about 100 associates responsible for our quality activities. And so that gives us a really robust group of individuals, expertise that can support us from a quality standpoint. We have a group within DSM that is responsible for supporting those types of audits with the regulatory agencies, so that if and when there are observations made, we can move quickly to resolve whatever they may be and move on from there.
Can you talk a little bit about your steriles operations?
So right now our facility is producing both solid dosage forms and sterile injectable products as well. And we're more or less 50-50 split between our production activities. On the sterile side, we have a wealth of expertise and capabilities. We currently have 5 commercial filling lines. We're filling vials. One of those lines is solely focused on cytotoxic potent compounds. That's very unique for us in the industry. There are very few contract manufacturing organizations that have that capability. So that's from an injectable product standpoint, we have those 5 filling lines. We also invested in a clinical trial material suite where we're able to fill smaller batch sizes to support phase 1, phase 2 clinical trial activities.
What range of solid dosage forms does DSM specialize in?
So DSM's expertise on the solid dose side is really focused on tablets and capsules. 2-piece hard cell capsules is our expertise. And supporting that, we have a team of about 20 formulation scientists. So they can take a program from very early stage, pre-formulation development, right through process development, scale up, and validation. So we have a good support structure in that regard. We have a pilot manufacturing facility that's about 30,000 square feet in size, where we can do, again, some of that early development work. We can produce phase 1, phase 2 clinical materials, and then we can scale up and move into our commercial equipment once product is approved. On the commercial production side of it, we're producing about 3 billion tablets and capsules annually. So pretty sizable activity that we have there. We also have full analytical development capabilities to support these products. We have an analytical development team of about 30 scientists. They can do method development, method transfers, and then on the release, QC release side, we have about 150 chemists that are supporting the release testing of products. We also have full product packaging as well. So we really can support our clients across the entire spectrum what they need for production of solid dosage forms.
Thanks, Hank. To find out more, visit www.dsm.com.